So I think we could do something with concept for this warp speed also. It's great about these presets, or they're such a good place to get started with stuff. There's a lot going on this screen, and you might not know what everything does, but getting the presets going can really get you in the right place. So we can go ahead and start maybe with a gated noise here, and we can hear it's kind of a cool sound going there. Now we have our generator here. This oscillator is on, and we have noise, and we have a sine. And right now the blend is all the way set to noise. We can pull it up here and get a little bit of that tonal going. Now you have these different LFOs and envelopes. When you click on them, they show you what they're controlling, and also the color here tells you if it's being controlled by something. We could change all this. I'm not always a big fan of auto panning, so we could just remove the pan, and now the pan is no longer automated. Now our gain is still automated. It's automated to this square wave up here. Maybe we can make it go further even. All right, let's make it go faster. Kind of like that, going like that. Close that up. We can go ahead and take our tune of this, detune it. Instead of just being an LFO, we could set it to a couple of different things. We can have it follow an envelope. We can have it with an audio input, meaning just like Reformer, I could perform it with vocals from my mic or some other audio source. We could do an XY capture where we do moves with the XY and it plays those back, kind of like automation. Or we could control with the mod wheel on our MIDI controller, which is what I'm going to do in this case, so that when I move my mod wheel, and now at the same time, what we can also do, since this is already set to mod wheel, is I could take the blend and I could say, go ahead and throw that in there. There we go. I think this is what we're going to go for here. We have it going from our sine wave up to our noise, while our sine wave's going up in pitch. Yeah, I think this is going to work great.